Hello everyone, welcome to another video of AI in software testing series. In the previous video, we have discussed how to generate test cases using ChatGPT, how to generate test cases using Claude, and in this video, we are going to discuss how we can generate the test cases using Gemini. If you have not watched these videos, I would recommend you guys to go and check those videos in my playlist. So the playlist link is added in the website, and even you can navigate to particular video by clicking on these options. So the link of this website will be in the description. You guys can go and check those videos. Now let's get started. So as usual, we are going to take the reference of API testing here. So if you click on this, it will take you to a Swagger document of a login API. So this entire page has the complete information of this API, what we have to test, and how the behavior of this API should be. And if you expand this option, you will see the API description. Okay, how we will get this in the JIRA ticket. The same way, even I have added for the reference so that we can use this and give these details to AI for generation of the test cases. Now, so we are taking the example of Gemini. So we have to give the prompt. You will find the prompt here. So this is the prompt which we are going to use. I'll copy this entire prompt, copy, and I'm going to give this prompt to your Gemini. Paste it here. Alright. Now, so this is the prompt, and we have to give the API description as well, right, for Gemini to create the test cases. So I'll copy this entire API information and I'll paste it here. Done. Then let us see how your Gemini is going to create the test cases for this. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button right now so that you should not miss a single video. And in this entire playlist, I'm going to cover all the different AIs and how we can use AI in the software testing field. Okay, so we got some response here. So it is giving in the text format. Let's see. And also share this video with your friends, those who are still writing the test cases manually in their project, and ask them to use AI. And drop the topic name which you guys want me to cover in the upcoming videos. Cool. So now you can see the execution is completed. Even this AI also gave me around 45 test cases, but this is in the text format, right? So this time let us ask it to add it directly to Excel. So let me just mention add these test cases to Excel. Let's see whether it will be able to add it. If not, we will ask it to give it in the table format so that we can copy paste it directly. I'm planning to create videos on how we can use AI for bug creation, how we can use AI for reviewing our automation scripts, and how we can write our automation tests using AI. It can be API test, UI, or mobile test, mobile automation test. So I'm going to cover all these things in this entire playlist. My idea is to educate QA engineers that how we can make use of AI and reduce our time. Okay, so we got the Excel ready. So your Excel file is ready. You can directly open it. Cool. So here you can see this is also giving us a proper Excel format. You can directly download it if you want. Nice, right? Instead of taking hours to create the test cases, if we give a proper prompt, it will generate the test cases within minutes. If you compare with the previous videos, ChatGPT also gave us around 45 test cases. Gemini is also giving us around 45 test cases, but Claude gave us around 65 test cases, right? Now, in the upcoming video, I'm going to compare all these three AIs and I'm going to tell you guys which AI is better for test case creation in this case. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.